In Gainesville's humid climate, the right windows do far more than simply frame a view. They help maintain consistent indoor temperatures, protect against outdoor pollutants, and create a healthier, more enjoyable living space. For many homeowners, upgrading to modern, high-quality windows can be one of the most impactful changes they make, both for comfort and for indoor air quality. Keeping indoor temperatures consistent. Old or poorly insulated windows can let in drafts in winter and allow excess heat during Gainesville's hot summers. This results in uneven temperatures throughout your home, leaving some rooms uncomfortably warm and others too chilly. Modern replacement windows are designed with advanced features such as double or triple pane glass to slow heat transfer, low E coatings that reflect unwanted solar heat while allowing natural light in, tight seals and weather stripping to prevent air leakage. These upgrades help your HVAC system work more efficiently, meaning your home stays at a steady, comfortable temperature all year long. Reducing humidity and moisture issues. Gainesville's subtropical climate can bring high humidity levels that lead to condensation and even mold growth, especially around old, leaky windows. Over time, this excess moisture can damage wood frames, drywall, and even flooring. New windows with proper sealing and insulated frames minimize the chances of warm, humid air meeting cool indoor glass surfaces. This greatly reduces condensation, helping to prevent mold and mildew that can compromise both comfort and indoor air quality. Blocking outdoor pollutants and allergens. Indoor air quality is just as important as temperature control, especially for households with allergy sufferers. Gaps, cracks, and worn seals in older windows can allow pollen, dust, and other pollutants to enter your home. Modern windows are built to close tightly, blocking airborne irritants and helping keep indoor air cleaner. Some models also offer built-in screens that allow fresh air to flow in while filtering out larger particles, perfect for Gainesville's breezier spring days. Improving ventilation without compromising air quality. Fresh air is essential for a healthy home environment, but uncontrolled airflow can bring in pollutants and humidity. The right window style can give you controlled ventilation, allowing you to enjoy fresh breezes without sacrificing air quality. For example, casement windows open fully for maximum airflow and can be angled to catch breezes. Awning windows can remain open during light rain without letting moisture inside. Sliding windows offer wide openings for quick air circulation. By strategically placing and using your windows, you can enjoy fresh, clean air while keeping unwanted elements out. Noise reduction for a more relaxing home. While not directly linked to air quality, reducing outdoor noise can make a big difference in comfort. High-performance windows with laminated or insulated glass help block sounds from traffic, neighbors, or nearby construction, creating a quieter and more peaceful indoor space. Long-term comfort and health benefits. The combination of improved insulation, reduced humidity, and cleaner air makes a significant difference in daily living. You'll not only feel more comfortable, but you may also notice fewer allergy flare-ups, less dust buildup, and a fresher indoor environment overall. And because new windows can reduce strain on your HVAC system, you'll also enjoy lower energy bills, a win for both your wallet and your home's sustainability. Final thoughts: in Gainesville's climate, investing in new windows isn't just about aesthetics, it's about creating a healthier, more comfortable living environment. Whether your goal is to maintain consistent temperatures, reduce humidity, block allergens, or simply enjoy cleaner air, modern window technology delivers. If your current windows are drafty, difficult to operate, or showing signs of wear, it may be time to explore your replacement options. With the right choice, you'll enjoy year-round comfort, improved indoor air quality, and a home that truly feels like a sanctuary.